Welcome to Car Hub. Today we're taking a nostalgic ride back to one of the most iconic cars ever built, the 1963 Aston Martin DB5. This isn't just a car, it's a symbol of elegance, performance, and British automotive craftsmanship that has stood the test of time. The DB5 made its grand debut in 1963 and almost instantly became a legend, thanks in part to its starring role alongside James Bond in Goldfinger. But this car isn't just famous because of the movies. It earned its status with style, speed, and sophistication. Under the hood, the 1963 DB5 came with a 4.0-liter inline-six engine, pushing out around 282 horsepower. That was serious power for the era, allowing the car to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 7 seconds. Impressive numbers for a grand tourer in the early 60s. The exterior design is a masterpiece. With its smooth, flowing lines, signature grille, chrome accents, and wire-spoke wheels, the DB5 radiates timeless beauty. The craftsmanship is unmistakable, from the sleek silhouette to the subtle aggression in its stance. Inside, the cabin was all about luxury: hand-stitched leather seats, polished wood trim, and classic Smith's gauges created a refined driving experience. Everything about the DB5 felt exclusive and built to the highest standard. Only about 1,000 DB5 units were produced, making it a rare gem for collectors and enthusiasts. Today, it's not just a car, it's a statement. It represents a golden era of automotive design where performance met pure class. So if you're passionate about timeless cars with a rich legacy, the 1963 Aston Martin DB5 is a masterpiece that never gets old. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Hub for more legendary rides. Let's keep the classics alive.